Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have my little helpers here. Your name is?
Mika.
Also known as?
Cheesy.
And your name is?
Aria.
Also known as?
Fishy.
And we got a box delivered and it says fish and cheese. What is it?
Babacorn bricks.
Babacorn Bricks is a Lego subscription box that we have been very lucky to have been sent multiple times, which we are very grateful, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's so lovely and the girls are always so excited when it arrives. I will leave all the details down below, but Babacorn Bricks have very kindly given me a 25% off discount code where you can get 25% off a 6-month or a 12-month subscription, which is a massive saving. So I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. The boxes are always so much fun. They are always really lovely wrapped and you get special things that are individually done for your child.
Lego.
All Lego, yeah. And we've had chocolate in it before, haven't we? And stickers
and
crayons. And oh, it's a box in a box. And it's always, everything is hand wrapped and decorated. And it's a small family run business. And as I said, I will leave all the links down below. If you go on their website and read about the box, it's just, anyone that loves Lego will love this. So it says, "You're a star." And it always comes in these really cool boxes. And it's got all their socials on the back, which I will pop there. But yeah, should we do a thumbnail? Can you two sit up really tall? And do a big smile. And that's how you do a thumbnail. And then mummy will snap that bit and then turn it into a photo. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the May Mystery Blue box. So you get this and it tells you all the different things. They're getting a bit, they want to get in it now, don't you?
Yeah.
So, the first thing I've seen, it says Lucy, Fish and Cheese, and it's a Lego Friends set. So every month you get one Lego item that is chosen specifically for your child. And they know the girls love Lego Friends. So we've got a Lego Friends magic trick set. Oh, it does a magic trick. I think it actually does a magic trick. And it's got a little bunny. And it says your RRP for this is between £3 to £6. So we chose this item just for you this month. What's that little girl called?
Emma.
That's Emma. That's how much the girls love Lego. They know who that is.
And she has a kitty on her.
And she has a kitty on her top, yeah. So that one does a magic trick, I think. So you can turn this to do a magic trick. That's cool. Right. Do you want to open that one, Ari?
Yeah.
You get lots of little hand-wrapped presents that have figures in them. I'll let the girls undo them now. There's lots of little ones. What's Ari got? Wait a sec. So, Ari's got an I'm blue without you. What you got to build, Ari?
I don't know.
Have a little look. What does that mean? What's that? So, I don't know what that one is. That's a little,
You got that.
oh, I think you do this, Ari. You build him. So you build a little, you try and build him. So make your own gift card, fun collectible postcard. So we've got the postcard and then you get the Lego bricks to build the little blue man on the front. So Ari's going to try and do that. And then you can decorate that, Ari. Mika's, oh cool. Mika's got, he looks like a Simpsons. You get 5 Lego minifigures guaranteed in our minifigure surprise bags plus accessories worth £10.95. So we've got this little one.
And then do this one now.
It's got a little crystal. You get all different figures. We've had like really cool ones. Yeah, you can do that one. And we've got a little sticker.
I put a sticker on it.
Ari's made him look.
Oh, it's not.
If you turn his eyes up the other way, he might look happy rather than angry.
Yeah,
I can't get those off now because of my nails.
I'll do that.
Oh, I got it. If you turn his eyes up this way, he'll look
Happy.
happy.
Got someone angry.
Oh, you got someone angry. So Ari, you got to stick him on. Look.
Huh?
You got to stick him on here. Use these little sticky bits and stick him on. And then it's a little special postcard and you decorate it.
Can I have one?
You can have one, yeah. We've got a little Lego storage box worth $4.95. We've got one of these from another box, a different colour one, so we can have one each now. What have you made, Mika?
I haven't made it yet, but I just noticed he has a moustache.
He has a moustache, does he? Yeah. Mika is very much like her daddy, where she can do Lego just super easily. Who's the rubbishest at Lego? Mama. Mama's not good at Lego at all. What's he doing?
He's going to turn his moustache around.
Let's see.
But he's not finished yet.
So she's got a little man and you can move his moustache whether he wants one or not.
He has a diamond and...
Okay, you finished building him. We've got a Ninjago J Poly bag for $4.95.
I don't know how to stick him on.
Okay, just leave it. I'll stick it on in a minute, babe. We've got that. And then we've got another little Lego minifigure. I'm going to move the box. And then I've got a little bag here that I'm going to open. We've got, what are you?
I don't know what.
Oh, they don't want this. This is chocolate. So we've got a little Lego chocolate brick with the Babacorn bricks.
This is a nice green, look.
The Babacorn bricks. Bite. Is it good?
Mm.
And you get all the little bags as well, which they love to keep their crystals and stuff in, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I think you can do one-off boxes. You can do a subscription. As I said, you've got the discount code for 25% off a 6-month or a 12-month subscription, which is just amazing. Let Mummy see if she can build someone. I got a little person. Although mine's a happy one, but they look a bit naughty.
Yeah. I have a mouse and some milk and a crystal. Yeah. Look.
Well, mine's holding a snowflake.
Oh, cute.
Ari's just dropped some on the floor.
Look at mine.
I've got a little man holding a snowflake with a hat on.
I got this one.
Where's the person?
The person, there was no person.
Oh, it's a little mouse, is it?
Yeah, with some
And then this is the little man that Mika got a minute ago with his moustache. And Ari is currently building someone. We've got more stickers.
I'm gonna put this on here.
Loads of little stickers. And then we've got a little mouse. Oh, a little mousey.
Mika, what one do you want? Do you like this face or this one? Yeah. What face? This one or this one?
The other one.
I think that's Duke.
Is it Duke?
Yeah, he's from Lego City. But
They just watch Lego all the time and love it.
Oh yeah, I think that is. No, it's a.
And you play. What's the game you play with Daddy?
Lego City.
You play Lego
and
City.
Lego Hay Potato.
Is that on? Is Lego City on the Switch?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you do, Aria? You tell everybody.
Crash all the cars.
Ari just crashes all the cars all the time. So you do like this, and then you decorate it with stickers.
What's that little? It's a bit of my way.
Look, and you got a little special postcard that says, "I'm blue without you." That is cute. I think you should give that to Daddy. He'll like that.
Oh, that one right.
What have you got, Ari?
Still have little please.
Ari has got a little policeman that she has builded.
I got
Some little bits. The camera's there, babe. A little flower. And then they've got these two sets. So that is the box. What did you think?
Good.
Super cool?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're very lucky girls to get this, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm going to get them to build the...
Other stuff.
I'm going to get her to build this now, and then we'll come back and we'll show you what the magic trick is.
Yeah.
Ari, show me your Ninjago man.
I'm just going to put his arm on.
We've got a cat that wants to get involved in the video. Bandit.
Oh, I got it ready.
Right, so there's the Ninjago guy. Really cool. Right, Mika's got a magic trick. So what have we got here, Mika?
So we got some money.
Yeah, we got some money. And then what happens?
Then you
Shut it. Do we need a wand?
Yeah.
What do we say?
Abracadabra.
Yeah. Where's it gone? Amazing. What do you say to Babacorn Bricks for sending you the box?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we'll leave all the links down below. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Smell you later.
Smell you later.